Hello everyone, कैसे हो आप? Welcome back to my channel Math Period. I'm Kiran ma'am. Now we are going to start with question number 3, exercise 7.1, chapter number 7, cubes and cube roots, NCERT standard 8. The question says, find the smallest number by which each of the following numbers must be divided to obtain a perfect cube. So the numbers which are given to us definitely not perfect cube numbers. Hence we need to divide them by some other number to get a perfect cube number. So the first number is 81. Let us start. 81 is divisible by 3. So 27 again by 3, 9 again by 3, 3 again by 3. Therefore 81 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 4 times 3. So this triplet is complete. Only this 3 is left without triplet. That is 3 is left alone. So we will remove this. Therefore 81 must be divided by 3 to get a perfect cube. Second part, the number is 128. Let us factorize it. It's an even number, so it is divisible by 2. 64, again 2, 32, again 2, 16, again 2, 8, again 2, 4, again 2, 2, again 2, 1. Therefore, 128 is equal to 7 times 2 multiplied. So, we will form the triplets. Here, this 2 is left alone. That is, it is not forming triplet. Therefore, one 128 must be divided by 2 to get a perfect cube. Third part, the number is 135. Let us factorize it. It's an odd number, so it's not divisible by 2. Let us check the divisibility by 3. Yes, it is divisible by 3. So it is by 3, then again by 3, again by 3, therefore 135 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 5. So this triplet is complete. This 5 is not forming triplet. This is left alone. Hence we must divide 135 by 5 to get a perfect cube number. Next, fourth part, number is 192. Let us factorize it. It's an even number, so it is divisible by 2. Again by 2, 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 then by 3. Therefore, 192 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 6 times 2 and 1 time 3. So these triplets are complete, and last one 3 is not forming triplet. Hence 192 must be divided by this 3 to get a perfect cube number. Now, last part of question number 3, the number is 704. Let us factorize it. It's an even number, so it is divisible by 2. Again by 2, 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 then by 11. Therefore, 704 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 11. So these triplets are complete. Only this 11 is not in a triplet. So 704 must be divided by 11 to get a perfect cube number. Now the last question of exercise 7.1, that is question number 4. The question says, Parikshit makes a cuboid of plasticine of size 5 cm, 2 cm, 5 cm. How many such cuboids will he need to form a cube? Here the dimension of the cuboid are given to us. We have to find the number of such cuboids which are needed to form a cube. Therefore, we need to find the size, that is volume of the cuboid. Therefore, volume of the cuboid is length into breadth into height. Here, definitely this is not a perfect cube because the factors are not in triplets. In order to make perfect cube, we must multiply 5 into 2 into 5 by 2 into 2 into 5. These 2's will complete the triplet of 2 and this 5 will complete the triplet of 5's, that is by 20. Hence we need 20 such cuboid to make a cube.